Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to do smoothie juice step by step. Start by laying out your ingredients and equipment so nothing gets missed during blending. Pick a base like water, milk, or yogurt, then add fruit, greens, and a healthy fat or protein. Prep by chopping fruit into even pieces and measuring liquids to maintain consistency and avoid overfilling your blender. Balance is key when making smoothie juice. Aim for about twice as much fruit as liquid to keep texture right. Start with a small amount of liquid and add more if needed to reach the consistency you like. Include a tablespoon of nut butter or a scoop of protein powder to make it more satisfying. Keep greens to about a cup so they blend smoothly without overpowering the fruit taste. Begin blending at low speed and use short pulses to break down large chunks safely and avoid splatter. Gradually increase to high speed until the mixture becomes silky, adding frozen fruit or ice only after the softer ingredients are moving. If the smoothie sticks to the sides, stop and scrape down before blending again so nothing is missed. Adjust thickness with small amounts of liquid until you...
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.